Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a simple rolling flower for sun hat. So friends, for this project, I am using 3-ply cotton yarn and a 4mm steel crochet hook. First of all, leave a yarn tail and wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot. After making slip knot, make your base chain according to the multiple of 3. I'm going to make 33 base chain. You can make more or less chain according to the desired size of the flower. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Complete your base chain according to the multiple of 3. So friends, I have completed my 33 base chain. After completing the base chain, start your first row with chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you want small petal, you can make less chains because I am making this flower for hat. That's why I am making 5 chains. So now go into this 33 chain, which is 9th chain from our hook. Go into it and make a double crochet stitch. So this is our first V stitch. Now for the second V stitch, skip 2 chains, go into this third chain and pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now make chain 5. After making chain 5, wrap the yarn again, go into the same chain, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops and then through 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. So we are basically making double crochet, chain 5 and double crochet V stitch. Now for the third V stitch, wrap the yarn again, skip 2 chains, go into the third chain and make a double crochet stitch. Make chain 5, wrap the yarn, go into the same chain again and make a second V stitch, second double crochet to make a V stitch. So this is the pattern. I will show you again. Wrap the yarn, skip 2 chains, go into the third chain and make a double crochet stitch. Go into the same chain again and make another double crochet stitch. So repeat this same pattern till the end of the row. After completing your row, now for the petals, turn your work and make chain 1, go into this first double crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch. After making a single crochet stitch, wrap the yarn, go into this chain 5 space, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch. After making a half double crochet stitch, wrap the yarn again, go into the same chain space and make a double crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through 2 loops and then through 2 loops. Now make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9. Now pull the stitches to make space, double crochet 10. After completing 10 double crochet stitches, wrap the yarn, go into the same chain 5 space, pull the yarn, pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch as we have done in the start. So we have total of 12 stitches for one petal. Now go into the space between 2 double crochet stitches, not go into the stitch, go into the space and make a single crochet stitch to finish your first petal. Now for the second petal, go into this second V stitch, chain 5 space and make half double crochet stitch in the start, and then make 10 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, pull the stitches to make space, 9, 10. After making 10 double crochet stitches, make 1 half double crochet stitch in the last, and then make a single crochet stitch between the space of 2 double crochet stitches. Now repeat this pattern for the next petals of the row. So friends, I have completed my petals. Now go into third chain, back reach or any chain loop and make a single crochet stitch in the last. Now make chain 1 and pull the extra yarn. Pull a long yarn tail to weave your flower with the same color yarn and cut the extra yarn. Now we are going to make a simple slip stitch and chain border to our petals to make it more beautiful. So make a slip knot first, go into this first single crochet stitch here and make a slip stitch, then make chain 1, go into the second stitch, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch, make chain 1 again, go into the next stitch and make a slip stitch again, make chain 1, go into the next stitch and make a slip stitch, make chain 1, go into the next stitch and make a slip stitch. Repeat this simple chain 1 and slip stitch process to every single stitch. You can see a very beautiful zigzag pattern. to our petal. So repeat this process again and again for every petal. Go into every single stitch and simply make chain 1 and slip stitch pattern. After completing one petal, skip this single crochet stitch and directly go into the next half double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. And now repeat the same process of chain 1 and slip stitch into every stitch and skip single crochet stitches between your petals and complete your row. After completing your row, cut the extra yarn and weave the extra yarn with the help of tapestry needle to some backside stitches and then cut the extra yarn. Now friends, our flower is ready. After completing the flower, simply roll the flower like this. Friends, I am going to join a simple plastic bead with the starting yarn tail to this middle part. To make it more fine in look in the center. So go into the upper part of our chain here and add bead. Make some more stitches to add the bead tightly to your flower. So add the bead. After adding the bead, make some more stitches to knit your flower. So friends, you can see I have added bead. After adding the bead, first of all make a knot here to secure your work so that your bead may not lose. Make tight knot to secure your work. After making knot, weave your extra yarn tail to some backside stitches and simply roll the flower. You can add this flower with the help of second yarn tail to any crochet project. I am going to add this flower to my sun hat. Sun hat tutorial is also available in my channel. If you need help, please visit the tutorial videos. Like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Remember me in prayers. Allah Hafiz.